Hi, welcome to this video on how to zoom in Canva. First, log in to canva.com. Once you're on your workflow page, I have several photos from Canva's photo selection to illustrate how to zoom in and out. At the bottom, you'll find a slider that allows you to zoom in and out. Moving the slider lets you zoom in fully on the photo, as you can see on the screen. You can also click on the percentage indicator to select your desired zoom level. For instance, I will select 25%. As you can see, the page is zoomed out and you can view your next page as well. To change the view, click on the percentage again and select Fill to make the image fill the page, or Fit to fit the image nicely on the screen. Additionally, you can click on the grid icon to view all the pages in your workflow. This feature is handy for navigating through multiple pages. From here, you can also use the slider to zoom in and out. That's how to zoom in Canva. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.